Hello. I'd like to congratulate the Reverend Mary Martin on her installation as the minister at the Unitarian Universalist Fellowship of New Bern. I'm Charlie Davis. I had the pleasure of serving there for 4 years, and I remember when she came in with her family, and I was so happy to see a young family coming into our congregation. And then when I found out she was a minister and that she had so many things in common with me, I just said, oh, this is going to be great. And I hope she stays. Well, I left and she stayed. And I am so happy about that. And Mary, I'm glad to see that you have connected with the local ministers and the UU ministers in the area. My only advice to you is just love this congregation. They have such a dedication to the arts, to justice, to nature. It's a very life-sustaining place, and I hope you have a long and prosperous ministry with them. May we bless and be blessed.